Hello my dear students from grade 6. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our new video lesson. Topic 15 lesson. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to the following instruction from the teacher. Instruction number 1. Study the video lesson very well. Instruction number 2. To complete your assignments as per the weekly plan, log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Alright. Before going, dear students, bring out your textbook, copybook, pen or pencil, and highlighter pen. Thank you. Alright. Review questions, today. First review question, are you ready? Very good. Tara writes down the amount she earns each week from babysitting. Use the table for question number A and B. From the table, we see the amount of money she earns per week. Earnings. Very good. Answer for A is $33.75. How? Very good. Mean equals sum of data values divided by total number of data values equals 35 plus 30 plus 35 plus and 35 divided by 4 equals 33.75. Remember, this is the average amount of money she earned over 4 weeks when she works just in 4 weeks. She can work more than 4 weeks. But we calculated here the average earnings just for 4 weeks. Okay. Now week 5, Tara does not earn any money. Will this change her mean weekly earnings? How? Yes, the mean decreases to $27. Excellent. Suppose Tara earned no money on 5th week. She could have reasons for that, like she was sick, or she could not earn any money this week. Anyways, let's check our answer. How? Mean equals 35 plus 30 plus 35 plus 35 plus 0, divided by 5. Mean equals 135 divided by 5 equals 20. Now, our second review question is: 4 friends donated $144 to an animal shelter. Barb donated $18, Karina donated $36, Maria donated $42, and Nita donated $48. Write and solve an equation. Write and solve an equation to find which friend donated 1/3 of the total amount. What is your answer? Very good. Divide the total money into 3. That is, 144 divided by 3 equals 48. How to use an equation to solve this problem? Great. Let x be the 1/3 of the total money donated by all the 4 friends. So we get 3 times x equals 144. Which means x equals 144 divided by 3. So x equals 48. Nita donated $48. So Nita donated 1/3. Alright? Dear students, for more review questions, you need to log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Take printout, try to find answers and keep the paper in your portfolio. Submit your work to the teacher later. Thank you. Alright my dear students, now, we are properly on our lesson. Our today's objective is: we can identify the median, mode and range of a data set. Again, we can identify the median, mode and range. Now, we have a question here, for which you should find the answer, and share your answer with me. Our question is: 8 students were surveyed about the number of hours they spend each week reading for fun. Order their responses from least to greatest values. What is the middle value in the data set? What is the value that occurs most often? Now, look at the right for the data set, given. Reading for fun survey. Hours spent reading for fun each week. 11, 4, 7, 13, 3, 7, 12, 5. You can analyzing numbers in a data set. Have you get the answer? Excellent. Let's see. Number of hours spent reading for fun each week. 11, 4, 7, 13, 3, 7, 12, 5. Hours ordered from least to greatest, 7, 11, 12, 13. Now, middle value is 7. Is it? Yes. Great. Now value that. Okay, dear students, now let's discuss look back question. Jamal says that the middle value in a data set can also be the number that occurs most often. Evan says he is wrong. Who is correct? Explain. Very good. Jamal is correct, in the reading 7, is also the number that occurs most often. Is it clear, dear students? Good. After you write your answer, get ready to watch a video that describes, how can the median, mode and range be used to
How can the median, mode, and range be used to summarize data? Think about this question during the lesson. Trey is downloading songs to his personal music library. He lists each type of music and the total playing time in minutes for each. How can he summarize the entire data set with one number?
You can use quantitative measures like mean, median, mode, and range to summarize a data set.
What measure of center do you already know that could be used to summarize the data set? How could you find it? You could use the mean. To find the mean, add the playing times and then divide by the number of types of music, 7. Find the median. The median is the middle data value, so it is a measure of center. List the data values in order from least to greatest. The median playing time is 63 minutes. If there were an even number of data values, the median would be the average of the two middle values. Find the mode. The mode, which is also a measure of center, is the value that occurs most often. What is the mode of the dataset? The value 67 occurs twice in the dataset. Each of the other values occurs only once. The mode, or most frequent playing time, is 67 minutes. Find the range. The range is the difference of the greatest value and the least value. It is a measure of variability. Identify the least and greatest values from the ordered list. Subtract. The range of playing times is 13 minutes. How is using the range to describe a data set different from using the median or the mode? The range tells how spread out the data values are. It is a measure of variability. The median and mode are measures of center. Now you know how the median, mode, and range can be used to summarize a data set.
All right, dear students. Now tell me the answer for this question. Treyh made a mistake when recording the minutes for movie soundtracks and gospel music. His corrected data shows 60 minutes for movie soundtracks and 62 minutes for gospel music. What are the median and the mode of the corrected data? Median, 62, mode, 62. How? Let's rewrite the data values as follows. 62, 72, 61, 62, 67, 60, 59. Arrange the whole data values 62, 62, 67, 71. Now, the middle value is 62. So the median equals 62. And the data value 62 appears most often. So the mode equals . Now guided practice, first part, do you understand? Question number 1. Why is it important to order the data when finding the median? What is your answer? Very good. The median is the middle value of the ordered data, not the unordered data. Question number 2. What does a small range tell you? Great. A large range means that the data vary a lot. A small range means that the data values are closer together. Question number 3. Why do you average the two middle numbers to find the median of a set of data with an even number of items? Very good. Now guided practice part 2, do you know how? Read the direction, in 4 to 7, use the data table. We have the data table, test scores, 76, 92, 88, 76, 88, 75, 93, 94. Let's start writing the answers for the questions now. Number 4. Order the scores from least to greatest. Very good. 68, 75, 76, 76, 77, 84, 88, 88. Now, circle the two middle numbers of the data. What is the median of the data? Good. Kindly look at the ordered data, see question number 4, what are the middle numbers? Good, 84 and 88. Okay, now tell me the median of the data. Excellent. 88, divided by 2 equals 172 divided by 2 equals 86. Okay, number 6 now, underline the numbers that appear most often. What is the mode of the data? Great. Mode equals 88, which is the data value that appears most often in the given. Number 7, what is the range of the data? Very good. Range equals 25, how range equals greatest value, smallest value equals 93 minus 68 equals.
Nolan asked 10 friends how many pencils they had in their backpacks. Nolan wants to summarize his data using median, mode, and range. First, Nolan writes his data values from least to greatest. The median is the middle value. But the middle of Nolan's list is shared by the 5th and 6th values, a 2 and a 3. So to find the median, Nolan found the average of the two middle values. His median value is 2.5. The mode is the value in a list that occurs the most often. In Nolan's list, the 2s and 4s occur more than one time. But the 2s occur the most often, so the mode is 2. And last, to find the range, Nolan finds the difference between the highest and lowest values. The highest value is 8, and the lowest value is 1. So the range is 8 minus 1 equals 7.
Okay, dear students, independent practice now. Read the direction. In 8 to 11, use the data table. Let's read the data table shown at the right. States traveled to or lived in. 1, 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 10, 7, 12. Okay, try to find answers for every questions here. I will give you time's up. Stop writing. Tell me the answers now. Number 8, order the data from least to greatest. Be precise when ordering numbers, so you do not drop or add values in the data set. Very good. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 7, 10, 12. Number 9, what are the median, mode, and range of the data? Excellent. Median, 3. How? There are 15 data values. So 15 plus 1 equals 16. 1/2 of 16 is 8, is 3. Mode, 2, how? 2 is the data value that appear most often, good. And range, 11. Good. How? Range equals 12 minus 1 equals 11. Okay, now tell me the answer for question number 10, the student who. Does increasing the 3 to 6 change the median? If so, how? Very good. Yes, it increases it to 4. How? Let's rewrite the data values, 1, 6, 5, 2, 5, 2, 10, 7, now, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 10, 12. Now median equals 4, which is more than our previous median, 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? So, how? Great. No, the mode is still 2. Next, let's solve some problems that involving solid figures. Let's open page 764 now. Are you ready? Very good. Read the direction. In 12 to 14, use the data table. Known number of moons of the planets. Mercury, 0, 1. Mars, 2. Jupiter, 50. Saturn, 53. Uranus, 27 and Neptune, 13. Okay, question number 12. What are the median, mode, and range of this data? 3. Why median is 7.5, good. As there are 8 data values, after arranging the data from least to greatest, 0, 0, 1, 2, 13, 27, 50, 53. There will be 2 middle values, which are 13, divided by 2 equals 15 over 2 equals 7.5. Okay, great. Next question now, number 13. What is the mean number of moons for the 8 planets, rounded to the nearest whole number? Very good. 18. How? Mean equal, total number of data values. Equals 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 50 plus 53 plus 27 plus 13, divided by 8. Equals 146 divided by 8 equals 18.25, which, we should consider as 18 as it stands for the average number of moons. Good. Now, number 14. The dwarf planet Pluto was once considered a planet. If you include Pluto's moons in the data, the median is 5. How many moons does Pluto have? Explain your reasoning. Very good. Number of data points. With an odd number of data points, the median has to be one of the data points. Since 5 is not a value appearing in the table, it must be the number of moons Pluto has. Read the question, number 15. How can you tell the difference between the net of a triangular prism and the net of a triangular pyramid? Great. A net for a triangular prism will have two triangles for its two bases. The rest of the faces are rectangles. A net for a triangle angles and no rectangles. Now let's make a higher order thinking question. Our question is the median always, sometimes, or never one of the data values? Explain. Excellent. Sometimes, when there are an even number of data values, and the two middle values are different, the two will not appear among the given data. Now, tell me the answer for question number 17. What term is used to describe the difference between the greatest and least values of a data set? Good. Range. Okay, now have a critical thinking question, number 18. Lewis, 0, 4, 0, 0 has a mode of 0, the data has no mode. Critique Lewis's reasoning. What is your answer? Very good. His reasoning is flawed. 0 can be a data value. A mode of 0 is different from no mode. 5, 2, 4, 0, 8, 0, 6, 1, 0. Here mode equals 0. Check another data values now, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0, 12 more often here. Which means this data has no mode. So the data has no mode does not mean that its mode is 0. Okay dear students, now tell me the answer for 19, our today's last question. In A to D, use the data table to find the statistical measures. We have this data table, cost of snowboards, values are given in dollar, at ski shop. 265.37, 325, 281, 265, 252, 494, 273. I am waiting for your answers. Excellent. Mean, very good. Median, very good. $269. Mode, good job. $265 and range, excellent. Okay dear students, we did it. It is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you understood all the facts we discussed in this video lesson. So, try to solve the questions on pages 765 and 766 of your math textbook. Thank you. Wish you all the best.